guys! Welcome back to my channel. Oh my God! Sobrang tagal. It's been years since I said that introduction. Grabe. And yeah, nagulat kayo. Nagulat din ako na bigla akong mag-vlog. Pero na-miss ko talagang gumawa ng travel vlogs, beauty vlogs, tsaka kung ano-anong content. I've been really busy with work. So talagang wala na talagang pinush away ko muna yung YouTube ko. But this time, since na-miss ko siya ng sobra-sobra, and para maging outlet ko na ulit siya, I decided to come back. And this time, we are doing another travel vlog. Kasi, we are going to South Korea, and I will be traveling with my mother, with my mom and my brother. So this is gonna be our first international trip after the pandemic. The last time na nag-international ako was the Thailand, and gumawa din ako ng vlog before. So na-miss namin talagang mag-travel. Though I did travel sa local destinations for the past years din naman. So, this is not new for me. Yung international lang talaga since, again, kakatapos lang ng pandemic. So, we'll see how it goes. Yung laman ng balita na Bureau of Immigration. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa atin today. We do have our visas. If you guys are interested kung ano yung ginawa ko para ma-prepare yung visas namin, just let me know down below the comment section. We are too early. Sir, umiikot. Kaja. Duty free. Upstairs. Baggage claim. Anong window tayo? Hindi natin chinek. Nine. Dun. Nine. Bay 9. So we just landed in Incheon International Airport in South Korea. And ngayon mag-isa ako kasi hinahanap ko yung ni-rent kong wifi via Klook. And somewhere here daw siya. Oh my god guys, ang layo na nung nalakad ko. Mula sa pinag-exitan namin na gate. Hindi ko na alam. Pagod na ako. But anyway, ayan. I'm so excited and it's so cold. It's actually 9 degrees currently. So, windang. Ngatog tayo for today's video. But yeah, hindi ko alam if you have questions regarding the process or how it went through for us. Just let me know sa comment section. I'll gladly ask them or answer them for you. So yun, I think we found it. I think ito na siya. Yeah, I think ito na siya. Puro siya orange. This is counter E and F. I don't know if this is it, but counter 11 to 10 E. I don't know if this is near that, but KT. This is SK. No? Sige, let's try first sa may E. Kasi sabi dito, gate E, I believe. I don't know. Guys, I'm lost. I'm really lost. Kasi letter D pa yun eh. Yung gate na yun. So, baka near here since it's E. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm so tired. This is so far. I think this is it. Yes, KT. This is KT. KT. Alright, let's go. Katie. Here. Here is my credit card. Success! I got our pocket Wi-Fi. I got 3. Though apat kami, we can just use 1, but I still got 3 because I will be going to 17th Street. Remember, and although I'm roaming, my phone's currently on roaming naman, and my internet siya, but still, para sure lang na only yung internet na magagamit natin. I still rented for the pocket Wi-Fi. Para lang just in case, I just use my data roaming for emergency purposes. So, yeah, balik na ako sa mga kapatid ko at kay mommy. Grabe guys, ang layo nung nilakad ko, nakakaloka. I think parang nasa letter A yung nilabasan namin gate, tapos nasa letter E yung rental nung pocket Wi-Fi. I just wanna get out of here because it's already 11 past 11 p.m. Hindi pa ako nakakanood ng Going 17. Ha, hindi ako makagbukas ng Twitter kasi ang daming spoilers sa Twitter. So, yeah. Grabe guys, hingal ako. Pero, alam niyo yung feeling na nag-exit ako kasi nanonood lang ako ng mga airport departures and arrivals ng 17 before. Tapos doon ako lumalabas. Wow. Di ba, saya ko na sa bagay na yun. But anyway, tara, puntahan na natin sila. Eto siya guys. Ang surreal, no? Na nandito na tayo ngayon. Pero yun yung itsura niya. Ayan. Wait, let me just get through my phone then. So I can take a video of it. Nasa device yung password tsaka info. Nasa likod. May binigay siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Hindi. Ito. Ref magnet. May binigay siyang ref magnet. Nakalagay. Seoul. And then wallet is here. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. What do I need to do? How do you turn this thing on though? It's on. It's on? May ilaw siya? Yeah, I think it's on. So I just need to connect. Kasi nandito sa likod yung details, no? Wi-Fi. Oh, it's so cold. It's super cold. It's freezing cold. It's so funny. Lamig! Lamig! CR, comfort room, bathroom, huge ass mirror. And then, ito yung closet. Malaki din yung closet. May robe pa sila, oh. May rack for the, maleta. Laki ng closet, oh. Ako maglalagay ako. Tapos, full length mirror.
Tinanggal yung
Vanity. Alin yan?
Tinanggal yung saksa.
Hindi, yun na yata yun. Yan na yung saksakan nila. Di ba binigyan kita? Ay, may adapter ako. Bibigyan kita adapter. Twin bed, clean beds. Table, TV. Hindi ko alam paano ko sasabihin. And our view. City view. Diyan.